Alright folks, I got my Dallas Cowboys shadow box lit up. You can see here it is a box. Front part of it is made out of recycled wood pallets. The back is 1x4s and the very back of it is plywood. Got a lot of different settings you can set on this thing. Too many for me to even try to mention or remember. But if you don't want it to flash, there's solid colors to choose from. There's your blues. There's your orange. There's your green. There's your dark blue. If you don't like that, then go to flash. Now that is what you're seeing now is with the light here in the room on. Let me kill the light inside here. There we go, boy, it's going crazy and it is bright. The camera will probably distort the picture a little bit there, but there's a solid color. There's another solid color. There's your green. Yeah, let me hit one of these other buttons and see what it does. Well, I'm blind as a bat, can't see out the other eye, so there we go. Now we're getting it to change. Got a remote control that operates it, so you can sit back in your chair. Want to change it? There's your other blue. There's a red. A lot of different settings. You pick and choose what you want. Fade buttons. Flash again. Guys, I can make these in a lot of different shapes, styles, and sizes. If this doesn't interest you, send me a message and let's see if we can put something together for you that you're interested in. Again, this is my old shadow box with Dallas Cowboys in it. Hey, thanks for checking out the video.